dun. Allison, in this corner is Adeline the Beast Trainer. Weighing at 75 pounds and only in 3rd grade, surprisingly, Adeline the Beast Trainer. And in this corner, at brown fur, weighing 76 pounds, which is more than a grown girl. Cujo, Killer Cujo. Hi, Cujo. Are you ready?
Yeah.
And this is our friend on the computer. Hi, Allison.
Look what you did. This thing is going on YouTube. You're doing that to stop the camera.
You took all of my clothes. Why the heck did you do that?
I did not do that.
You did that.
I did not do
Why?
that.
You did that. Why?
I did not do
You did it.
I hate you. Okay, release the beast.
No. Help me get my clothes back.
Shut up.
Help me
Dun, dun.
get my
Dun, dun,
clothes
dun.
back.
Dun, dun.
Please.
Take off the robe, dude.
No, I need it to protect myself from him biting my foot.
Go!
Attack.
Why did he go
Oh,
there?
yes.
Dun, dun,
I don't
dun,
like
dun,
babies.
dun, dun, dun,
Cujo is a fierce beast.
Cujo. Cujo's a fierce beast. He wants to live. Die.
Okay.
Oh.
Place the camera on me
Yeah.
real quick. Place the camera on me real quick. Okay, listen. This is how you fight a dog. Without any sleeves on.
Dude, we're gonna be signed up for animal cruelty, dude.
I love you. Oh, I love you.
Okay, I think I'll nickname this video "Fat Lady Abuses Dog."
Okay, listen. This is not abuse you're looking at. This is a woman who loves puppy.
Okay, I'll
This
change
isn't
that
even
to
my dog,
a fat
though.
lady
So,
sexually abusing a dog.
No, he loves it. He loves it. He loves it.
That's wrong.
Shut up. He's the only thing
Oh
in
my god,
life.
dude.
He's the only thing in my life.
Yeah, this is a 12-year-old.
This lady's weird. She's not my sister.
She's her sister.
No, she's not. She's some weird stranger who came into this house. Get back into the basket of the rest of things.
Guys, look, now, what's with happening?
I think the mutation from the Hungry Ants came loose.
What the hell? Why did you start women coming in? Yash.
That's wrong.
I did not do. He put his face there.
Ow.
Why did we change matching rooms? Where are we?
Wait, no. Give me the toy. Give me the toy.
What? Oh, he's got it.
Hey, Cujo.
Give me the toy. Give me the toy.
I'm under attack.
Oh no, guys! No, dude, someone hold this.
Give me
No,
it.
Sit down. Come on.
Dude, someone hold this.
I'm taking it.
Someone hold this and then lay it on the couch. Hold it and huddle it on the couch. Dude, do it.
Go.
Dude, lay down. Dude, lay down.
Move it. No, stop it. Right
I think he's thinking like, what? we say like what the hell? Yeah.
Do you really want to
have that? Oh wait, no, you're gonna give it to me.
Bye.
Oh my God, you're so stupid, lady. I'm gonna just lie
Cool job.
here until you give it to
Can
me.
I see it? Can I see it real quick?
Go.
Jump, Gloria, jump, 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 Gloria. Go.
Is she gonna give it to me or what?
Here.
That's what he's saying.
Here.
Okay, kidding.
Get it!
No! Give it to me!
Go, go.
That was a wrestling
Did
match.
you get that? Did you get him jumping over me?
There's like a, yeah, I think so. Jump.
Oh my God!
Could you attack?
No.
Yeah, die, die.
Cujo.
Are you okay? That's what happens when you wrestle a dog. Hey!
Listen.
Look, I won.
Look.
I won.
Dude,
This dog made me.
can I see that? Look at this. My God.
I won the fight.
Good job.
I won the fight.
Not yet. Oh my God. Wait. Okay, it's all yours now.
Face.
It's all yours now. Hold him down. 1, 2, 3. Stop. We have a winner. It is Team Adeline and Allison. Please release the beast.
No.
Don't release the beast, that woman. Release it.
No.
Freaking release it. Release it.
Talk to the foot.
Oh my God. Let go of his. Let go. Ow, ow, ow. Please let go.
No.
Look, you're touching your balls.
Ow.
Come on, Coach. Come on. Dude, tickle her. Ow! Shit! Beat me! What? Okay, I know how to get him out. Let go of his butt! Oh my God. This is a good YouTube video. Yeah, you want it? Okay. Yeah! Fuck that.
I will bite this dog. I just hit him.
He's loose!
Now.
Cujo! Cage! Cajun! 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 Crate up! Crate up! Crate! Crate up! Crate up! Crate up!
Straight up, dog. Put your butt in that cage.
The beast is tamed!
No, I ain't.
Now see the winners up in real life and not fighting for their lives. Hot lady. I think we should look at her better when she's fighting. This busy cleaning lady, that's really crazy. Oh my God. Can I do that again?
Do it again. Do it again.
Oh my God. Stop. Let go of it. Dude, I can't see it. Dude, that's a back up. Oh my God. And I'm your host, Ashley Poopface. Bye-bye.